DeAir.RE-1200 Industrial Dehumidifier, the top-notch dehumidification solution for large spaces. With a dehumidification capacity of up to 1200 liters per day and a drying temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. The DeAir.RE-1200 delivers exceptionally powerful performance within the dimensions measured at 1750 by 800 by 1800 millimeters. Equipped with air inlet, air duct, and drainage pipe, it operates efficiently in areas ranging from 1000 to 2000 square meters, whilst complying with noise standard of 72 decibel and energy efficiency. The smart humidity controller, adjustable between 10% and 95%, prevents mold recurrence, protects valuable goods, and leverages a safe working environment for workers. As widely used in food processing, logistics storage, and heavy industry production areas, the DeAir.RE-1200 optimizes investment and fulfill export benchmarks. In addition, DeAir's 24/7 technical support guarantees reliable and durable operation of the unit. Contact us today at 0925 977 579 or visit DeAir.com.P.An to experience the comprehensive industrial dehumidification solution with the DeAir.RE-1200.